Dear student, we are in chapter number 3, electrochemistry, lecture 3 also. In last lecture we discussed about hydrogen electrode, standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode is very important to get the value of another electrode's potential and potential of different electrodes is very useful. We get many answers from the different type of values. Scientists has accepted reduction potential of hydrogen is 0, 0. Yes. Accepted value for hydrogen electrode is 0. Losing nature of electron and gaining both are 0. Whenever reduction potential is higher than hydrogen electrode of any electrode, hydrogen electrodes करता જેનો reduction potential high હોય. So here fluorine having plus 2.87, it is more than hydrogen H plus ions electrode. Reduction potential high છે. So reduced species F minus is more stable than reduced species of H plus ion. આના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ગેઇન કરવાનું નેચર કરતા આનું વધારે છે. એટલે ગેઇન કરીને F minus more stable હોય. So reduction potential having higher value, it should be it's reduced species should be more stable. આ બેમાં રિડક્શન પોટેન્શિયલ કોનો હોય છે F2. તો રિડ્યુસ સ્પીસીસ કઈ છે F માઈનસ. આનો રિડ્યુસ સ્પીસીસ કઈ છે H2. તો H2 કરતા F માઈનસ would be more stable. And now another example, maybe we are going to another example. Suppose lithium Li plus gains electron and gives lithium. So reduction potential is very low of lithium, minus 3.05. Out of these two, which one possesses more reduction potential? આ બેમાં વધારે reduction potential 0 વધારે કહેવાય, minus 3.05 કરતા. So here reduce the species Li plus માંથી Li બને. Li is less stable. So having lower value of reduction potential, reduced species should be less stable than hydrogen. Less stable છે કારણ કે ગેઇનિંગ નેચર H plus નું વધારે છે Li plus કરતા. So Li કરતા H2 is more stable છે. So here reduction potential high છે એટલે એનું reduction થશે. It experiences reduction and this one experiences oxidation. Yes, having higher value of reduction potential experiences reduction and having lower value of reduction potential experiences oxidation. So this is reduction. So inverse reaction occurs. Whenever reaction occurs with lithium and H plus, so H plus નું reduction તો H2 બને, lithium નું oxidation થઈ Li plus બનશે. So series is given in the table of your book, table 3.1, which is the series we have to remember. So that is called EMF series and standard reduction potential series in decreasing order, top to bottom. So one by one we have to remember. Now first of all, come to the table. Reduction potential of fluorine is highest in all the electrodes. Fluorine gains 2 electron, it became 2F minus. This derived value of potential half cell. Reference to hydrogen electrode, આ બધાની derived value of reduction potential highest of fluorine 2.87. Then cobalt plus 3 ion gains 1 electron and convert into plus 2. Potential is 1.81. Decreasing order now. And third one, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide in acidic medium, gains 2 electron. So 2H plus plus 2 electron. Plus 3 gains 1 electron, convert plus 2 ion. 2H plus gains 2 electron, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen from here. So 2 mole of water. So potential is 1.78. Now MnO4 minus is a permanganate acidic medium, gains 5 electron. Why? Here oxidation number of manganese is plus 7, is converting into plus 2, so gains 5 electron. For the remember, 4 oxygen there is a trick, and 8 hydrogen, so 4H2O. And potential MnO4 minus in acidic medium gains 5 electron and 1.51 volt. Then after Aurum Au plus 3 gains 3 electron and convert into aurum. So your potential is 1.51, then 1.40 degrees. Now chlorine gains 2 electron and convert to Cl minus. So here 1.36 volt. You can see value of reduction potential is decreases top to bottom. So याद केम रखूं? Between fluorine and chlorine there are 4. Between fluorine and chlorine there are 4. So this one, remember, CO plus 3 oblique CO plus 2 means plus 3 convert into plus 2. So 1 electron. This one, hydrogen peroxide in acidic medium and converting into water. Permanganate in acidic medium converting into Mn plus 2. This one, aurum plus 3 converting into aurum. So reduction. Between fluorine and chlorine there are 4. This is electrode potential. Now between chlorine and bromine there are, in fluorine and chlorine there are 4, but in between chlorine and bromine there are 3. chlorine and bromine. There are three comes. દેખાય છે? So here, after chlorine, dichromate and acidic medium. Dichromate, Cr2 7 minus 2, 7 oxygen 14 H plus 6 electron gives 2 Cr plus 3. Here oxidation number of chromium is plus 6. So 2 having plus 12. So it gains 6 electron and 2 Cr plus 3. 7 oxygen, 14 nitrogen, so 7 H2O. Here reduction potential is less than 1.36, it is 1.33. Decreasing order is given. Now, after dichromate in acidic medium, there is a oxygen in acidic medium, O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron. So 4H plus 2O2. 1 oxygen gains 2 electron, 2 oxygen gains 4 electron. So 2 oxide and 4 hydrogen gives 2 H2O. Here potential is 1.33, nothing less 1.23. Yes, here 1.23. Then after oxygen, MnO2, manganese dioxide, 4H plus 2 electron. In MnO2, oxidation number plus 4. After gaining 2, it became plus 2. 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, releases as a 2H2O. This one also 1.23. Now bromine gains 2 electron and 2 Br minus. It is less than 1.23, 1.09. All the values are derived with reference to hydrogen electron. Between fluorine and chlorine there are 4. Now between chlorine and bromine there are 3. So which one? Dichromate in acidic medium gives Cr plus 3. Oxygen in acidic medium gives water. MnO2 in acidic medium H plus gives Mn plus 2. આ તો યાદ રાખવાનું રહેશે. Now between bromine and iodine, there are 5. 4, then 3 and now 5. Between bromine and iodine. Bromine and iodine એની વચ્ચે there are 5 options. Nitrate in acidic medium, gains 2 electron, NO plus 2H2. How? Oxidation number of nitrogen is plus 5, is converting into plus 2. So NO, remaining 2 oxygen and 4, so 2H2O. Here reduction potential of is 0.97 plus. Now 12. Mercury plus 2 ion, Hg plus 2, gains 2 electron and convert mercurous. Both mercury possesses plus 1 potential. Mercury plus 2 gains 1 electron, both 1 1. So total Hg2 plus 2, 0.92 reduction potential. Now 13. Ag plus silver gains electron, gives Ag plus 0.80 volt. Then ferric convert into ferrous, Fe plus 3 is a ferric, convert into ferrous. So it possesses 0.77. Then after ferric O2 in acidic medium, O2 plus 2H plus 2 electron. So H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. O2 plus 4H plus, so 2H2. O2 here 2H plus, so H2O2 0.68. Now then iodine gains 2 electron, so reduction plus 0.54. Yes. So you can see between bromine and iodine there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Nitrate ion in acidic medium convert NO. Mercury convert into mercurous. Ag plus into Ag. Fe plus 3 into Fe plus 2. O2 in acidic medium gives H2O2, not H2O. This one H2O. H2O बने तो potential 1.23, but H2O2 derive થાય તો 0.68. Between bromine and iodine there are 5 electrodes. Now after iodine, there is a trick, cuprous cupric. Cuprous cupric. This one cuprous, this one cupric. Cuprous cupric AgCl AgBr. So it gives Ag plus Cl minus. This one Ag and Br minus. So here cuprous cupric AgCl, Ag plus Cl minus. Again करसे, so Ag and Cl. Again करसे, so Ag and Br. So reduction potential of cuprous ion is 0.52 plus 0.52. Then after 0.34 of the copper we discussed. Then after, which is 0.22 and 0.10, and last H plus gains 2 electron, so H2. Reduction potential is 0. After iodine there is a trick, cuprous cupric AgCl AgBr and H plus. तो accepted value by scientists, which is 0, 0. Now then after hydrogen electrode potential are negative. Pb plus 2. There is also trick. After hydrogen, reduction potential of hydrogen is accepted 0 by the scientists. Oxidation and reduction both 0. After hydrogen electrode, lead, tin, nickel, lead, tin, nickel and ferrous. Lead, tin, nickel and ferrous. Chromium, zinc. Yes. Lead, tin, nickel, iron, chromium, zinc. So lead gains 2 electron and convert into Pb solid. Sn plus 2 gains 2 electron, convert into Sn. Ni plus 2 gains 2 electron, Ni. Fe plus 2 gains 2 electron, convert Fe. Here gains 3 electron and Cr solid. Gains 2 electron and became Zn solid. So potential now negative after hydrogen, 0.13 minus 0.14 minus 0.25 minus 0.44 minus 0.74 and minus 0.76 up to zinc. Now last line, water. 2 mole of water gains 2 electron, so H2 plus 2OH minus. This is the reduction potential of the water. It is minus 0.83. From top to bottom value decreases of reduction potential. Then aluminium, magnesium, sodium. Aluminium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium, magnesium, sodium, calcium, potassium and lithium. Last, Al plus 3 gains 3 electron, gives aluminium. Mg plus 2 gains 2 electron, gives Mg. Na plus gains electron, Na solid. Ca plus 2 gains 2 electron, gives calcium solid. Potassium gains electron, became potassium. Li plus gains electron, gives the Li. Here value of reduction potential gradually decreases. After water there is a 6. Aluminium, magnesium, sodium, calcium, potassium, lithium. Value of aluminium is here minus 1.66. Yes. Then after magnesium minus 2.36. Yes. Rise is used. Actually decreasing is used. And sodium 2.36 of the water 0.83. Understood? Of the water is 0.83, of aluminium minus 1.66, of the magnesium 2.36, of the sodium 2.71, more decreasing. Then calcium 2.87 minus. Then potassium 2.93, and last we discussed minus 3.05, 93. From top to bottom in the series, reduction potential decreases. So oxidation potential of it increases. આનો ઓક્સિડેશન પોટેન્શિયલ ઇન્વર્સ કરી નાખો એટલે પ્લસ થઈ જાય, આ પ્લસ થઈ જાય. ઇન્વર્સ રિએક્શન, એલ્યુમિનિયમ loses 3 electron. So oxidation potential, આ રિડક્શન પોટેન્શિયલ હોય ને સેમ ઓક્સિડેશન પોટેન્શિયલ હોય ઇન્વર્સ રિએક્શનમાં પણ પ્લસ લેવાનો. ઓક્સિડેશન પોટેન્શિયલ increases. So it experiences oxidation, so it is a reducing agent, stronger reducing agent. Reducing agent behavior increases from top to bottom, but bottom to top reduction potential increases. Gaining nature increase reduction થાય એટલે oxidizing agent behavior increases from top to bottom. Now whenever value here once again fluorine gas gains 2 electron is equal to 2F minus. Here reduction potential is 2.87 of the hydrogen is H2 0.0 volt, and of the lithium last one we are taking, so it is minus 3.05 volt. So what happens actually here, having higher value of reduction potential with reference to hydrogen electrode. It should be stronger, weaker. It should be weaker, weaker reducing agent. Tell me this sentence. Having higher value of reduction potential with reference to hydrogen electrode reduction potential 0 એના કરતાં હાઈ હોય એ બધા જ વીક રિડ્યુસિંગ એજન્ટ છે કારણ કે એનું પોતાનું રિડક્શન થાય તેનું ઓક્સિડેશન પોટેન્શિયલ નેગેટિવ થઈ જાય એટલે લૂઝિંગ નેચર ઓફ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લેસ હોય ગેઇનિંગ મોર હોય લૂઝિંગ લેસ હોય તો લૂઝિંગ લેસ હોય એટલે oxidation behavior less, so it is weak and oxidation થાય શું કહેવાય reducing agent, so weak reducing agent. Having lower value of reduction potential reference to hydrogen electron, it should be strong reducing agent. How? આ lower value કોની reference to hydrogen of lithium. Reduction potential minor, so oxidation potential highest છે of the lithium. So એનું gaining nature less છે પણ losing nature high છે એટલે oxidation behavior high. So oxidation થાય એને શું કહેવાય reducing agent, so it should be strong. એટલે H+/H2 કરતા reduction potential high હોય तो weak reducing agent. H+/H करता reduction potential low એટલે negative. આ 0 હોય ને 0 થી less એટલે negative, તો strong reducing agent. Understood? Now use of this table. Value is not necessary to remember, but increasing or decreasing order is compulsory. We have to remember. Use of this table. Yes. Many questions asked in exam, JEE, NEET, Gujarat Board, Gujket, from this table, and that is called the EMF series. Many questions asked in exam. Yes, so one by one we are going to discuss. In the EMF series, 2KCl plus F2 gives 2KF plus Cl2. This reaction occurs or not? A reaction thase ke nahi? Tell me. With help of our series, F2 gains 2 electron gives 2F minus. Here reduction potential is 2.87, and of the chlorine, reduction potential of the chlorine we discussed this is lower than fluorine. And tell me how much it possesses. Chlorine having value 1.36 volt of the reduction potential. Value याद न रखवानी, decreasing order. So here, which one having higher value of reduction potential? Listen, K plus Cl minus 0, plus 1 minus 1 0, 0 into minus 1, so reduction, minus 1 into 0, so oxidation. K plus spectator, the oxidation number change not થાય. So higher value of reduction potential is fluorine, so it experiences reduction, yes, and lower value having species experiences oxidation, yes, it is also. આનું reduction થયું F2 માંથી F minus, you can see F2 into F minus reduction. કારણ કે રિડક્શન પોટેન્શિયલ હાઈ છે એનું રિડક્શન થાય, લો એનું ઓક્સિડેશન, તો આનું ઓક્સિડેશન થાય, તો આ તો રિડક્શન છે, તો ઓક્સિડેશન આમ થાય ને Cl માંથી Cl2, yes, Cl minus into Cl2. So this reaction occurs. Now inverse of it, think about it. 2Kf plus Cl2 gives 2KCl plus F2. This reaction is possible. Plus 1 minus 1 0, plus 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 into 0, digit line. We are moving from left hand side to right hand side. So what happens? Oxidation number increases, so oxidation. 0 into minus 1, so reduction. Fluoride ion experiences oxidation which is not possible due to our series. આ બેમાં રિડક્શન પોટેન્શિયલ હાઈ કોનો છે? ફ્લોરિનનો. તો એનું શું થાય? ઓક્સિડેશન થાય, આ રિડક્શન થાય. હિયર ઓક્સિડેશન છે. ક્લોરિનનું શું થાય? ઓક્સિડેશન. તો અહીંયા શું થયું? રિડક્શન. સો ધીસ રિએક્શન ઇઝ નોટ possible. So this is very useful. Reaction occurs or not. This table series of the different kind of reduction potential is very useful. Now uses of it. Yes, we can define first use. Uses of a standard electrode potential to get cell potential which we are making by joining two electrodes. Yes. When we take one electrode of copper, so reduction potential we know of copper is plus 0.34 and reduction potential of the zinc is minus 0.76 volt. So which one having higher value? Copper. So E degree cell, E degree of left hand side, sorry, right hand side minus E degree of LHS. So higher value, reduction potential of copper minus reduction potential of zinc. Higher value માંથી lower છે subtract થાય, so 0.34 minus 0.76, so it gives 1.10 volt. Any two electrode when we choose from the series and when we join, when we combine, so gated cell potential we can define. But this is only for standard. Whenever temperature 25 degree, like 298, pressure is 1 atmosphere and concentration compulsory 1 molarity. On that particular case, we can define. Now, another use is second use, pH and pOH value of the solution. pH and pOH value of the cell's solution. Once concentration of H plus is derived, then we can define pH value. If OH minus, concentration of OH minus is known, then we can define value of pOH. Solubility product, third one. આ બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે આગળ આવશે. AgCl is sparingly soluble. It gives Ag plus and Cl minus. sparingly soluble salt in a iron concentration multiplication, so gives KSP. Now equilibrium, fourth one. Yes, we get some, if concentration of the product in the cell and concentration of the reactant is known, then we can define the equilibrium constant also. And fifth one, use of this series is in the laboratory. Thermodynamic properties and potentiometric titration. Getting thermodynamic properties and titration. In BSc, some titration occurs like this. It is called potentiometric. Potentiometric titration. These are the use of our series of different kind of electrodes. Now in text question, how would you, first in text question, 3.1 of our book, how would you determine the electrode potential of Mg plus 2 oblique Mg, means reduction potential. Answer, Mg we have to dissolve, we have to dip into MgSO4, and that half cell we have to join with standard hydrogen electrode. Yes, we are making magnesium rod is dipped into MgSO4. Another is our reference electrode, which is the hydrogen electrode. We are passing hydrogen gas, 1 molarity concentration of HCl, both electrode we are joining, and by salt bridge, inner circuit. So here we know E degree cell is equal to E degree of right hand side minus E degree of LHS, means reduction potential of the cathode minus anode. Here our cathode is of hydrogen, so H plus oblique H2. Here Mg is our anode, so reduction potential Mg representation of reduction, plus 2 into 0, plus 1 into 0. This value is 0. Derived value practically by the using voltmeter, it is 2.36. So we get some reduction potential of magnesium. So gated value આમ તો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 0 જ છે ને, તો આ શેના ઉપરથી મળ્યું? વોલ્ટમીટર ઉપરથી. એ મૂકી દીધું, આખા સેલનો વોલ્ટેજ મળી ગયો. આ 0 છે, સો માઇનસ 2.36 is our reduction potential of the magnesium. Understood? Index question 3.2. Intake question 3.2. can you store copper sulfate solution in zinc pot, in a zinc pot, yes or no? When we take a pot of the zinc metal and inside there is solution of copper sulfate, so Zn solid plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu solid. Here sulfate is a spectator, base side -2, copper +2, here element 0, oxidation number 0, here +2. Zinc experiences oxidation and copper experiences reduction. We know reduction potential of copper is reduction potential of copper Cu plus 2 oblique Cu, the reduction potential 0.34 volt, and reduction potential of the zinc is minus 0.76 volt. So which value is higher here? So reduction potential of copper is higher than zinc. This value standard, degree curve standard from the table. So Cu plus 2 will be experiences reduction. So yes, here Cu plus 2 experiences reduction. Reduction potential high of Cu plus 2 and lower value of Zn plus 2. So zinc experiences oxidation. આ reduction થયું કારણ oxidation દર આમ થાય. Zn gives Zn plus 2. Yes, આ reduction છે આમ લેવાનું. એટલે જેનો reduction potential high હોય એ reduction પામે. જેનો reduction potential low હોય તેનો oxidation થાય. તો oxidation આ oxidation નથી આ reduction આમ જવાનું. એટલે Zn માંથી Zn plus 2 losing 2 electron એટલે oxidation થાય. એટલે reaction occurs. So we can't store copper sulfate into zinc pot because of reaction occurs. Zinc will be coerced. Zinc ખવાય છે. Zn convert into Zn plus 2 and Cu plus 2 convert into copper. Reaction occurs. So we can't store copper sulfate into zinc pot. Now inverse of it. Think about it. Inverse reaction occurs or not? This in text question over I am giving you. In the pot of the copper we can store zinc sulfate, yes or no? Listen, here copper plus ZnSO4 gives CuSO4 plus Zn. 0 into plus 2, so oxidation. Plus 2 into 0, so reduction. So here reduction potential of Cu plus 2 is plus 0.34 we discussed. Reduction potential of zinc is here minus 0.76. Which one is higher? Cu plus 2. So Cu plus 2 should be experiences reduction, but here oxidation. Zn plus 2 should be experiences oxidation due to lower value, but here experiences reduction. So that is not possible. So we can store the reaction nahi tha. So we can store zinc sulfate into copper pot. In text question 3.3, last 3.3 of the day. consult the table પરથી consult the table of standard electrode potential and suggest the three substances that can oxidize ferrous iron. Ferrous means Fe+2 under suitable condition. We have to derive species which oxidize ferrous iron into ferric. So actually reduction potential of ferric is 0.77. Yes, minus 0.77. Reduction potential of the chlorine 0 into minus 1 is a plus 1.36, and of the bromine is in table plus 1.09 volt, and of the fluorine is highest 2.87 reduction potential. All the three species having higher reduction potential than reduction potential of Fe+3. So whenever react chlorine, bromine or fluorine with the ferrous, so these three experiences reduction and ferrous experiences oxidation. Once again, if from table Fe+3 gives Fe+2, potential of reduction 0.77. Clear? Here Cl2 gains 2 electron, 2 Cl minus. Fluorine gains 2 electron, gives 2F minus. And bromine gains 2 electron, gives 2 Br minus. Here reduction potential are given 1.36 દેખાય છે ને 1.09 and 2.87. આ ત્રણેય આની સાથે રિએક્ટ કરે એટલે આ ત્રણેયનું રિડક્શન થાય એટલે આનું ઓક્સિડેશન. તો આનું ઓક્સિડેશન એટલે આમ થાય. So answer is chlorine. Whenever chlorine react with Fe+2, so 2 chloride ion and 1 Fe+2 loses 1 electron, so 2 Fe+3. Chlorine experiences reduction, Fe+2 experiences oxidation from the table. Reduction potential high હોય ને એમનું રિડક્શન થાય, રિડક્શન પોટેન્શિયલ લેસ હોય એનું ઓક્સિડેશન. આમાં ઊંધું લેવાનું. આ તો રિડક્શન છે. આ Fe+2 નો ferrous ion experiences oxidation with chlorine, bromine and iodine. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture.